Hey everybody, I'm going to do an update on the how to install the uh, Holosun EPS. On my first video, my Glock plate that it comes with, it's supposed to come with 3 and mine only came with 2. It was a brand new Glock. I didn't catch it whenever I was picking it up, and the one that's missing is the one that is for the K plate to go direct. One of the things that I also didn't like was whenever you're using the Glock crush washer, the plastic polymer piece, is that there's going to be a gap at the front and a gap at the back. So to solve that, I got the C&H milled plate for the EPS. So we're going to install that now. Now it comes with all the hardware. So you use this and the screws it comes with to direct mount this. So it just drops in right here, boom, takes the place of that plastic plate, and then the EPS goes on top. So I'm going to put a little dab of thread lock on the screws. Let's see how this goes. You want to see that. See how long these screws are? That's what you want, down into the slide. You can get the cover plate screws to fit, but they're only like 1 or 2 threads in. They're barely in there, and I think that would cause a failure. You want like nice deep threads like this. We're going to give it a little bit of juice. A little dab will do you. And then drop it in like that. And then just tighten them on down. Put these to 15. And they're blue Loctited in. There we have it. No gap at the front or the back. Aesthetically pleasing. And I am screwed directly into the slide, not using an adapter plate like the first video. The first video, the way you do it with the adapter plate that comes with the Holosun would probably be fine. I just prefer this method, and there you go. Hope that helps.